Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited and I will show you all of the power outlet and cigarette lighter fuses. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2015. Now there's a couple of fuses to check. Most of them will be in the main fuse box under the front hood, and there will be one fuse in a passenger's cabin in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. Now, depending on the trim level of your vehicle, you might not have all of the fuses I'm about to show you. I'm sitting in a Limited, so this one has a bunch of fuses inside the middle console, on the back of the middle console, third row, cargo area, and so on. But like I said, it all depends on your trim level. Now the fuse you want to check here, it's a bit harder to access. I'll try to squeeze my phone inside. Now first you'll have a cover here. My Ford is missing it. I got this car from the car auction and it came without this cover. But to remove this plastic cover here, just want to unscrew these two screws and just pull the cover off. It's quite easy to do, and then you will get access to pretty much everything. And the fuse box will be located just up here. Now on top of the fuse box, as you can see, there is a small fuse diagram. And now to remove the fuse box, you'll have two black tabs, one here, one on the other side. So you want to press those tabs together and pull the cover off. Okay, just like that. Okay, the fuse I want to check here is the fuse number 32, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located just here. I hope you can see this, it's quite hard to access it. Okay, the blue fuse 15 amp, and this is the fuse responsible for power to 110 volt AC power point. And now I will show you all the other fuses. So all the other fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is right here under the front hood. Quite easy accessible. Now to lift this cover, you will have two black tabs here on this side. You want to press them and lift up. And here you get access to all of the fuses, and again, back of the cover there is a small fuse diagram. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 9, which is a 20 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to power outlet number 2, which is in the back side of the middle console. Fuse number 17, it's a 40 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to 110 volt AC power point. So this is your second fuse here. Next to fuses, we have fuse number 20, which is a 20 amp blue fuse right here, responsible for power to power outlet number 1 and a cigarette lighter. Just next to it, fuse number 21, responsible for power to power point number 3 in the cargo area, so in the trunk. And the last fuse to check will be fuse number 27, which is right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to power outlet inside the middle console. And that's it. Now if all of the fuses are good and one of your power outlets is still not working, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and look into the power outlet itself or the possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.